Because if key stays like that, battery go to die. Alright, always keep key off. Automatically it will open there. And then I can use the starter here. Neutral. Again,
No, I think this one is one.
I'm gonna press down here. We're gonna pull 1, 2, 3. Ne? Okay, so for battery start, you don't have to do anything there. I need to pick up the machine. Yes, up. So no adjustments, anything. I'll show you also what to do when the battery, there is a battery here inside. So when the battery die, you can either buy the new battery or you can use the rope. But to use the rope, you must have manpower. Alright. Whenever the battery is flat or maybe the cable is broken or what, ne? You can still use the key, but it won't start the machine when the battery is flat. Here you're gonna just switch it on.
On.
Yeah, on. Then what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna push it down by hand. Then I bobber. That is when I use the rope, when you don't use battery. Alright? Then we're gonna press down here. We're gonna pull 1, 2, 3. Ne? Okay, then we wait for the engine to stop turning. Once it stops turning, I leave there. Now, compression, you see. I have the compression. Don't start it there. Press down once more, then I don't have to hold it there. Then I can just start it. Ne? Manual. That is the manual start. Ne? So for battery start, you don't have to do anything there. You're just gonna put it on fast here. You see automatically it will open there. And then I can use the starter here. Stop. I press it back to stop. You see? Okay, then I switch off key. Always when you switch off machine, make sure key is off. Because if key stays like that, battery go to die. Alright, always keep key off when you stop machine. Alright, then diesel, not petrol, diesel only. Okay, that is your air filter. So this air filter, you open here, then we open there. There is the oil inside to catch the dust. So here you clean everything, ne, after every use. Then just a bijana oil, like 100 ml of oil. You're gonna add it here, you see?
Okay.
Okay. After cleaning, add a nice clean 100 ml of oil. Engine oil is good. Then we're gonna put it back.
Is it every day after use?
Huh?
Is it every day after use or
Well, you can do that maybe once a week.
per week? Okay, once per week.
But every day, just make sure, check it and see. If it is not too much dirty, it's all right, put it back. Make sure that no rubbish is going inside when you put it back. Okay?
And then what
Then-
can I use to clean? Can I use paraffin?
Yeah, you can use paraffin
Or
for
petrol,
clean
just
with
for
paraffin
clean.
nicely, and then make it dry nicely, and then fuck 100 ml engine oil.
Engine oil. Okay.
Then put back. Ne? Okay. Now engine oil. Ne? This is a dipstick. Okay? It shows you the level.
Full or
All right.
or,
So whenever the oil is low, you will also see the oil here. You see? So whenever the oil is low, then you can top up with the engine oil.
Engine
You
oil.
read the user's manual. I will give you the book. Everything is there. You read the user's manual. Inside user's manual, they talk about 10W30. But we can use 15W40 because our place is hot.
Okay.
All right, so 15W40 is the best engine oil to put here. All right, then you can top up. Don't fill up until the oil, you see now the oil is still low. Fill up until the machine flooded with oil. Okay, there is the dipstick. You check the same way like your car. You see my car need a bit of oil, top up a little bit, check on the dipstick until you see, okay, now it's on the level. Okay, you understand?
Do not overfill the oil.
Don't overfill the oil. Then we put it back. Always before you open here, ne, you're gonna clean this area. Make sure it's clean before you open there. Because you don't want any rubbish to get inside. Okay. Now the way I show you to pull, now when you don't have enough power for start, the machine will kick back. When it kick back, it will try to start the other way. Then it will blow the air filter and all other things. Then the machine will not start. You will also see lot of smoke coming from the air filter and the exhaust when that happen. Okay, so for you best, if you don't have power, you don't have pop to it, make sure the battery is in good condition. Okay. If you see that the battery is going flat, put it on charge. Charge it. Put it back. You see, no, this battery don't charge anymore. Take it to some battery center. They can test for you. They can tell you battery is all right or battery is gone. Then you buy new battery. Okay. To keep this and that up running. And everything you do on this machine, gentle. Don't force. When you force is when you break it. Okay. So everything you see is plastic. This is plastic. The cables is soft cables. Okay. So every single thing you gonna gentle. Use it gentle. All right. Like the way you gonna touch your wife. Okay. So I'm talking wrong because the way you touch your wife, I don't even know if maybe your wife you touch it very hard. You see, so but just like everything, the key, everything gentle. Okay, you don't have to force. Okay, so it's easy start when you use the key. Now you know about the oil, you know about the diesel, you know about air filter. Then there is this light. You can have the on off here. Okay? For the light to work, you on and off, you see.
Can I use this during the night?
You can use it in the night, but I don't prefer it. Okay, but that is only, they put it for to be nice, to be fancy. Okay. Then there is the standard. The standard just to make the machine stand up like this. When you go to work in the field, that standard is gonna fall down. Okay. Then the wheels is easy to take off and to put on. You have these pins here. You're gonna remove these pins. Ne? And then you're gonna put the blades. Now we want to work in field, we're gonna put the blades. Okay. So now firstly I'm gonna show you the drive the machine. Ne? When you have the wheels. So firstly I'm starting. Reverse, you want to go forward again, you just pull back to you towards you, or you can push forward because I have 1 neutral and 2.
So, 1
Okay, so if you put on second gear, it's like fast running
will be run.
because you'll be on high. This is low range, high range. When I work in field, you're gonna work in high range, second gear. Okay? Which means that your blades will spin faster. And then this one, you'll take it out. This one, you're gonna go down until it touches the soil. Ne? So, like take it down. Until it touches the soil. Okay? So now with the blades now it will be even little bit lower. Alright, so now when you are in field, then here in front, when you are working, that one must go in. Okay? When it go in, this one you're gonna press it into the soil. When your machine is in second gear and on high, then you're gonna start going forward. You will see that your machine automatically will eat into the soil. Okay. You understand? So for now, I'm gonna give you just to test drive, and then after that, we're gonna put the blades, and then I'll show you what it's doing with the blades. But problem here, the soil is too hard. Eh?
Because this one belongs to me.
For reverse, you want to go forward again, you just pull back to you towards you, or you can push forward. Back is neutral. Again.
No, I think this one is 1.
Huh? There is first gear.
First gear. No. Too
Yes,
hard.
just slowly. That's neutral. And then one more is in second gear. So here you just do like this. Just grab it with one end here, and then neutral again. It is little bit harder. First gear.
1. Now we're done here.
Okay. This one, high and low. When you put the blades, you're gonna work on high. When you put the tires, you're gonna go to low. Otherwise, you must put on your running shoes because you're gonna run with that machine. That machine will go. When you put it on high, second gear with the tires, it will run very fast. So that very fast running is supposed to be when it is in labor. Okay.
Meeting later.
So first gear when you have tires, low range when you have the tires. When you put the blades, second gear and high, but infield. Okay, don't try to run it here on this kind of soil because it will just jump and then run with that blades. Okay.
So far, so good.
But also for safety, when you have it here down, when you have it down, the machine runs and now you see the machine is running away from you. Leave it. It will stop. Okay.
Oh, this one is the accelerator.
Yes. That one is accelerate. It's your forward. It's your drive.
Drive.
Yeah. This one, I just want to check where that one goes to your PDO shaft there. So this one is used for your PDO. So running is this one when I press and then I press down. This is your drive. And then this is for 10. So if you are there in field, second gear, high range. You want to 10, use this one, you 10, come back. Don't leave here, otherwise everything will stop. Never in second gear, never in higher range. Put reverse. Reverse you only gonna need when you are got the tires.
The reverse when there are tires.
When there are tires.
If
But when you have the blades, it's forward only.
forward only.
You don't use the reverse in blades because your machine is in operational, it must be second gear, higher range. So if you're gonna put reverse on that stage, you're gonna, because you are here, you're gonna kill yourself because the machine will come back like jumping. Okay, so reverse only to use first gear, low range with the tires. You understand? So now we're gonna start the machine and you're just gonna feel it running. So for now, for running, I'm gonna put it into first gear, okay? And then I'm gonna make sure this one is in low range, yeah, okay? Then you're gonna open your throttle, okay? Start your machine. Start it. The wheel, and then you must see the hole here, and there is the hole here. Okay, they must align. All right. Then the pin. There you go, and the clip on the other side.
I must lock here.
The lock here. There you go. Easy.
Okay.
Okay. So now, the same you're gonna do that side.
True.
Yeah.
And the man
So also, you can do, just tilt it again.
That side.
Yeah, so that we're gonna take the blade out now. We're taking the blade out. Okay. Then we align the hole for the wheel. And then we're gonna put the pin. And the lock. Okay, now put it down like that. This one. Put the other blade that side, and then you are good to carry your blades to the bucket.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah.
If I'm going to carry it.
Or to be on the safe side, if you are scared your tire can catch because you didn't put it at the right angle, just take it out and carry the blades to the bucket.
It's separate. For how long can I use this machine? I mean, for how many hours?
You can use
Can I
it
use
the
it
whole day.
The whole day, no problem at all.
Yeah, you can use it the whole day. Just make sure
As
you
long
add
as there is
diesel
enough-
and then you go
as long
and
as
make
there is
sure your
enough.
oil is fine. The machine also have automatic cutout. There's automatic oil cutouts here. All these wires. So when the oil level goes too low, the machine will die.
Switch off.
Yeah,
And I must
check
remember
oil.
that the oil is too low.
yeah.
I'm not filling the oil.
So check oil. And also there is that you got to plug both sides, né?
Okay.
And it is also gear oil. So also that one is got a dipstick.
So gear oil is
The gear oil you're gonna put the same as engine oil.
1540.
Okay?
Okay, the thing is engine oil.
Yeah.
Okay, one.
The
But
mark.
for now it's enough.
Yeah. For now is enough oil there inside.
Okay. Gear oil and diesel.
Didn't oil. Coming up a share up.
Hmm?
Oil did 1540.
Okay.
So we use the same oil with the gear and then the other.
No.
No, the same
This
oil
one is-
that you use for engine you're gonna use on the gearbox.
Okay, the same oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
Yes.
Not gear oil.
You use the engine oil.
Engine oil. Engine
Yeah.
oil. We are done.
Because all this oil is doing, there is no pressure inside there. All it's doing is lubricating the gears.
Okay.
You
Oh,
can,
I thought maybe here I must buy the gear oil and then here I must buy
yeah,
the
like
engine
I
oil.
say, I have here the user's manual there. I'll give you all those things just now. You can read it and see. There also you find a lot of information.
The only problem, because you showed us.
That is the mistake a lot of people are doing, because they think they know, and then they don't read the manual. So,
Could you please also tell me
operator manual is there. It's obvious gonna break. There shows you the diagram of all the parts and whatever, and how to put the plates and how to